Common attitudes associated with dog lovers. 1. Compassion and empathy. Dog lovers tend to be caring, understanding, and patient, not just with dogs but also with people. 2. Responsibility. They take their role as pet owners seriously, ensuring their dogs receive proper care, nutrition, and attention. 3. Playfulness and humor. Dog lovers often have a great sense of humor and enjoy playing with their dogs, which strengthens their bond. 4. Loyalty and commitment. They are dedicated to their dogs and prioritize their well-being, often going the extra mile to ensure their happiness. 5. Patience and understanding. Dog lovers recognize that dogs have unique personalities, quirks, and needs, and they adapt accordingly. 6. Affection and nurturing. They shower their dogs with love, attention, and physical affection, which fosters a deep connection. 7. Advocacy. Many dog lovers become advocates for animal welfare, supporting causes that promote the humane treatment and care of dogs. 8. Social and outgoing. Dog lovers often meet new people while walking their dogs, fostering a sense of community and social connection.